Welcome, in front of me is a Umidigi One Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and for me it's on the second page right here. So to enable it, simply tap on it, and now it's enabled. Now if you want to set it up, you want to actually hold the toggle, so if you hold it, it goes into the settings of it, and here you have settings, for instance, like the priority only allowances. So this is one of the options that allows you to customize how the Do Not Disturb mode works. So for instance, you have messages and you can give allowances to, for instance, allow only contacts to reach you while the Do Not Disturb mode is on, or your favorite contacts, no one, or everyone. And calls have, well, the exact same options right here. Then you have repeat callers, which if you check this on, if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they'll be able to reach you the second time around, as long as they call within the 15-minute. So it's good for like an emergency kind of thing. Then you also have just a toggle for reminders and events, so if it's gonna basically sound or not. And then you have automatic rules, which allows you to basically set an schedule for Do Not Disturb mode. So we can tap on add new one, and for instance time one, name it whatever you want, and number one, you start off by choosing the days of the week that it will be working in. So select or deselect the ones that you don't want. Then you have start time, so let's just say I'm gonna make a kind of 9 to 5 schedule as a work one, so to go 9 to 5, there we go, 9 to 5, and then Do Not Disturb mode preference, you have the priority only, which is the one that we have customized. Then you have also alarm only and total silence, so choose one that you want. I prefer the priority because it gives you a lot more customization over it. And once it's done, all you need to do is just go back and it's all set and enabled. So that is basically how you would set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.